Hi everyone, welcome to Madcaps. Thanks a lot for joining the second episode. Hopefully you like the first one. And अगर आपके पास अभी भी कोई सवाल है स्क्रिप्ट राइटर रोल के बारे में, then do let us know and we'll try to get you the answers for those. So हमारे सेकेंड एपिसोड के लिए हम फोकस करेंगे पेस्ट्री शेफ रोल पे, क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि हमारे काफी लोग आसपास होते हैं जिनको कुकिंग करना पसंद होता है, एंड स्पेशली बेक्ड प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे कि कुकीज, केक्स, पेस्ट्रीज एक्सेट्रा. बट एक्चुअली में इसमें करियर बनाने से डरते हैं. और उसका एक मेजर कारण ये भी है कि जब हमारे बचपन में हमें हॉबी क्लासेस में कुकिंग सिखाई जा रही होती है, तब एक्चुअली में कोई ये नहीं बताता कि इसमें जॉब रोल्स क्या है, इसकी करियर ग्रोथ क्या है, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. और इन्हीं सवालों के कारण लोग इसमें प्रोफेशन चूज करने से झिझकते हैं. और ऐसे ही कुछ सवाल थे हमारे आज की गेस्ट के लिए भी, जब उन्हें अपनी लाइफ में दो ऑप्शन में से चूज करना था. एक, या तो इंजीनियरिंग के बाद सिक्योर जॉब ऑफर चूज कर लेती, या फिर एक टोटली नई इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखती जिनका उनको इतना आइडिया नहीं था, बट शी न्यू दैट शी हैड दैट टैलेंट. एंड फाइनली, आफ्टर फॉलोइंग हर पैशन एंड टेकिंग दैट हार्ड डिसीजन, she is now running a successful business in the Tri-City area by the name of Sarosa. So let's connect with her and know more about the role of a pastry chef, and also know how difficult or easy was her journey of finally becoming a madcap. So firstly, a very warm welcome and thanks a lot for joining in. And जैसे आपकी कहानी मुझे इंस्पायरिंग लगी, that from being an engineer, you decided to being a certified pastry chef and also an entrepreneur, and also finally owning your own business. So I really hope जो लोग इस फील्ड में करना चाहते हैं कुछ, they actually want to see their own future, वो भी आपसे इंस्पायर हो और आपको रोल मॉडल की तरह देख सके. So why don't we start with a quick description of your role? Who is a pastry chef?
Okay, so thank you so much for having me, and I would love to help anyone to choose a more proper goal-oriented field for themselves. So, as you said, pastry chef or patissier is someone who has the skills to make pastries, desserts, any other baked products like chocolates, also chocolate spreads and all. And that's it. They can run, they can work in hotels, pastry shops, they can start their own business. Even in all these MNCs, like you see Amul, Creambell and all, they can go and work there as well. So in short, that's a pastry chef for you.
It's nice. मतलब जो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ऐसा हो सकता है, वो एक्चुअली में होता है रोल.
वो एक्चुअली में हो सकता है.
काफी हो सकता है. Right.
Even if you're a pastry chef, that does not mean you have to go work in a pastry shop. You can go work for big companies also.
Right. Yeah. And I think definitely इसके बारे में और जानते हैं धीरे धीरे. So firstly, आपके बारे में जानने के लिए पहले कि जैसे हर इंसान की जिंदगी में कुछ ऐसे मोमेंट्स होते हैं जिस टाइम पे लगता है कि यार मुझ में ये स्किल है और शायद मुझे इसमें कुछ करना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक आपकी लाइफ में वैसे कोई इवेंट्स हुए होंगे. सो व्हाट वाज दैट इवेंट फॉर यू?
There was not just one event, बहुत सारे accumulation of events थे. Like I started baking when I was young. So I studied in a convent school and we had a lot of functions like, Christmas functions and Easter, Good Friday, a number of them. And everyone had to bring something from home. I'll tell you this story, I'm sorry. So my mom, she bakes a lot. So she used to send a cake every time and everyone loved it. So actually you can say my mom taught me, she gave me the skill of baking. So that's where it started, because she used to bake, then we started baking together, then I baked alone. And that's school mein shuru hua, fir college mein shuru hua. And then everyone just, gave me the hype that, you can do this so well, why don't you make a career out of it? But aise karte karte, I just finally took the plunge and did it.
That's great. मतलब आपकी फैमिली का काफी सपोर्ट इस चीज में है, which is a great thing.
She gave me the skill, my family gave me the skill. उससे ज़्यादा तो there's nothing.
That's so good. So पहला ऑर्डर कैसे मिला था? And also, did you start it as a side hustle or directly started your own business?
Right. So I was in an engineering college, Thapar University. I was doing engineering. So I just used to go home every weekend because Patiala and Chandigarh are very close. And I used to bring back cakes for all my friends, like half the university, you can say.
And I've also experienced that. I've been that lucky.
Yeah, and then everyone started pressuring me like, why are you giving it for free? We'll definitely pay for this and all. So my work started as a side hustle. Every weekend I used to go back home, take orders, bake cakes, and then bring them to college or have them delivered in the city. So as far as I remember, there were many small orders for cakes, cookies, and all. But the big order that I remember, and made me realize that maybe I can do this, was in college. There was this event. I think it was SAIC event or MUN. I really can't remember. Maybe it was the MUN. So they ordered around 500 muffins. And this was in our second year of college. And I had just started like 1 month or two when I started my home run bakery, and I had no idea how to do it. I just took the order. I'm like, bas dekha jayega, let's do it, because you have to sometimes do it like that. And it was just me alone who had no idea how to run a kitchen, how to make bulk orders, how to wrap it, how to deliver it. But I just took the order and did it, and it was a big learning curve for me. So that I always link with that, my starting point.
So I think getting out of your comfort zone was really helpful.
Yes.
That's great. So, जैसे you have also got a certification as a proper pastry chef, and also और कौन सी ऐसी academic qualifications हैं for somebody जो actually इस role में अपना future सोचते हैं?
So they, like these days there are many qualifications, because the way I was getting it, it's called APCA. It's the best in Asia. They have branches in India, Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, everywhere in Asia. So it's very good. It's so like, if I'll tell you, like some of my classmates, they were 16 years old, and some were 45. So basically there's no age to change your career. You can do it anytime you want. So you can do either diploma program, undergraduation or post-graduation, anything you want, as well as you can go about it from the hotel management route. You can first do hotel management. It gives you skill about how a hotel runs, what all you need to learn about it, and then you can do pastry course or culinary course.
Okay, I think that will be really helpful for our audience. जैसे आपने अपना खुद का बिजनेस चूज किया, if anybody else doesn't want to start their own business, they want a secure job पहले, तो उसके लिए क्या options हैं, उसका professional growth क्या होगा?
So maybe I went about it the wrong way, but I would always recommend कि कहीं जाके पहले काम करो, training लो, because then सबको एक अच्छा idea आ जाएगा कि ये industry चलती कैसे है. Because you never know, like every industry का अलग होता है system, you know. I would actually recommend everyone to go do an internship or training or actually a job in it for a few years. And then maybe afterwards, when you have a good grip of the industry, start your own business. Suppose you do a basic pastry course, and then you can have a training at any hotel or dessert shop of your choosing, or under any chef also. Even if they don't have a dessert shop, any chef. So you can go about it that way. That you can apply via LinkedIn, or you can ask the place where where you have studied the course from कि वो लगवा दे आपकी internship. And if you do a very good job in internship, वो आपको most usually hire कर लेते हैं for future jobs. So there is that. There's one thing. And the other is कि आप यहाँ से basic course करके बाहर जाओ, वहाँ पे जाके आप internship करो, training लो, because वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ही डिटेल में भी वो आपको सिखाते हैं सब कुछ.
So बाहर से you mean abroad?
Abroad, sir. Yes. Abroad.
Yeah. So that was my next question only कि अगर जैसे आजकल सही में सबको चस्का हुआ है, especially we are Punjabis, we know कि क्या craze है सबको. So everybody wants to shift out. Right. So actually मैं अगर कोई इस role में जाना चाहते हैं, so what are the future aspects for moving abroad and how to proceed there?
Okay. So even like in India, Bahar also you have certification, undergraduation, post-graduation, बहुत 3 years to 5 years to 7 years. बहुत level जाते हैं if you want to do a proper course. या फिर आप diploma भी कर सकते हैं. Diploma क्योंकि जब आप करते हैं एक course तो उसमें सब कुछ होता है. You have breads, chocolates, cookies, you know, sugars, everything. And when you do a long course, you can finally realize कि it's not just like you can't do whole of pastry. You need to be best at one or two things. जैसे engineering है, streams इतनी सारी है, but हम सारी नहीं कर सकते. We have to choose one which we are best at. तो इसमें हमारे पास option होता है कि एक like 9 months है आपके पास, या 1 year या 2 years, आप सब कुछ सीख लो, सबके basic सीख लो, and then afterwards you can finally choose that one topic that you really want to dive into. तो या बाहर जाके उसमें कोर्स कीजिए, उसमें ट्रेनिंग कीजिए. जैसे बाहर बहुत सारा ये होता है कि they are just chocolate schools, there's just chocolate shops, or there's just bread shops, or they're just cake shops. So बाहर उसमें ज्यादा ये होएगा कि आप एक वो पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में यू कैन एडवांस. तो बाहर ये ग्रोथ बहुत होती है कि like you, even if you work as a commie chef is like the lowest, like the beginner in a kitchen. So you can grow to a head position in a very short time, and you get a lot of respect out of it, and the pay is also very nice as compared to India. और बाहर इतने, there's one more thing, there's like championships, world pastry championship, Asia championship, even country championships. Even India has a pastry cup, France cup, Italy, like every country has it, every continent has it, and even there's a world one. So you can go and apply for that also. It's a very prestigious thing if you won a country or world cup in pastry. So एक competition line भी होती है. You can go for that also. You can start your own business also. You can work with someone. You can become a teacher also. Like आप एक चीज में you finance that thing, और फिर आप वो ही सिखाने लग जाओ. वो भी कर सकते हो. So there are so many options.
काफी ज्यादा ऑप्शंस हैं as compared to जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे भी ज्यादा ऑप्शन.
I'm not stating many more, but there are so many other options, you know.
एंड कमाल की बात है कि हमारे सिस्टम में कोई बताता ही नहीं है. कोई बात ही नहीं करता. राइट.
मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा आर्ट्स कॉमर्स अब आ रहा है.
राइट. सबको पता है इंजीनियरिंग में कौन सी ब्रांचेस है, बट नोबडी नोज कि ये चैंपियनशिप्स होती हैं, इसमें कितनी स्पेशलाइजेशंस हैं.
It's a new thing for me too. Even I didn't know when I joined my course, then I got to know, okay, there's so much.
This is personally a question that I really want to know the answer of. कि जैसे after this great education, उसमें इतना इन्वेस्ट किया, and also preparing for the engineering is such a task. पहले तो JEE mains, advanced, वो सब, and then finally getting the education from a prestigious university. पर उसके बाद भी decision लेना that you want to pursue, that you really want to do. So वो trigger point क्या था life में जिसके कारण वो decision लिया? And also जैसे हमें तो पता है कि आपके फैमिली इज वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव, बट कुछ ऐसा जो फैमिली से भी आपको फेस करना पड़ा, या रिलेटिव से, या बाकी 4 लोगों से, वो 4 लोगों से, एंड उसको कैसे फेस किया आपने?
So I don't know what about a specific trigger point, but 11, 12 में ही I had a knowledge that I wanted to do something related to, you know, baking or kitchen, something related to, because I used to bake a lot in 11, 12. Maybe that's a stress reliever. But जब तुम JEE की तैयारी से you get tired, I used to go in the kitchen and I used to bake, and then got me thinking if doing something makes me happy, maybe I can make a career out of it. So 11, 12 में, like after JEE, after every engineering exams were over, I gave hospitality management exams too. मैंने तभी 12th में ही दे दिए थे, बिकॉज मेरे को तब सिर्फ ये नॉलेज थी कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू जाते हैं. दैट टाइम आई हैड नो नॉलेज, आई न्यू नो वन जिसने किया ये. तो आई जस्ट गूगल वगैरह से जो पता चला, तो आई गेव माय हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड द स्कोर वाज गुड एंड आई वाज गेटिंग इनटू टॉप इंडियन schools. But then my parents were like, no, you need to have a solid degree as a backup. You know, this you can do anytime you want, but this undergraduation degree है जो एक कॉलेज का होता है, you need this. And they were very very firm about it. So I'm like, ठीक है, because they made a sensible point and I had to agree with it. Because उस time I knew no one who was doing it. I knew nothing about this field. So I agreed to them. I did this. But as I told you, college mein I started a side hustle of my own bakery throughout college. And yeah, so that gave me that, you know, that made the whole foundation very strong. Yeah, this is something I want to do. So during like our last semester of college, we have a training period. So I was in Gurgaon training, and the company, they offered me a job, like after training, you can continue with us. And then, but at the same time, I was looking into culinary schools, pastry schools. So that was literally a point that I had 2 parts. I can either have a secure job with secure salary and just go into a new field, start from ground zero. I knew no one, nothing. So that 1-2 weeks was like very very tough. I couldn't decide because this one part that everyone that you know is doing, like everyone in our college and our classes, they were going to do that, and I had many friends in that company, and I had already trained with them. So like, I can do this, I can earn money, I can have a very relaxed life instead of, you know, doing something entirely new and that you know nothing about. So but still I did that. I try not to give much importance to paas paros ke log. Point, because in a way they don't see the whole picture. They don't realize that, doing a 9 to 5 job might not be the best thing for everyone. It might be best for their children, for themselves, but not for everyone, And my parents are fine. They are like, sometimes they get sad that itni mehnat, you could have done a job and lived very nicely, easily. But they are very proud also.
Following your own dreams takes a lot of guts, and that's inspiring. And I think जो आपने बोला कि शायद उनके बच्चों के लिए वो choice सही होगा, but not for everyone same choice is same correct, right? That's true. So एक चीज, जैसे you have your own business right now, you're running your own business, and definitely नए बिजनेस में ऑब्स्टेकल्स आती ही हैं, दैट इज फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि शुरुआत से आप स्क्रैच से कुछ शुरू करते हो. सो ऐसा ही कोई इशू आया हो और ऐसा लगा हो कि यार वो जो पीपीओ मिल रहा था, वो सेफ जॉब मिल रही थी, वही कर लेती, इंजीनियरिंग में भी इन्वेस्ट किया था, वो चूज कर लेती.
I think that every day, like every weekend, every week, like there's this point every week I'm like, why did I do this? Why didn't I just go and got that job where I had holidays? I could do whatever I wanted after 5. I think that every week.
So what makes you keep going, even apart all of that?
It's just, it makes me happy, whenever, like if I'm making a cake, like the end product is so beautiful. I just stare at it like I can't believe that I made something this beautiful. Like with my own hands, with nothing. And when the customer, they give back such glowing feedback, like I made their day, I made their anniversary, I made their wedding, or it's like, and feel very happy, you could contribute that towards someone special day directly.
True.
That happiness. So that makes me happy. At the end of the day, makes me keep going.
Why don't you share a few things about your own business? कि वो क्या है and आप क्या run कर रहे हो, उसके बारे में कुछ details if you want to share.
So I run a cloud kitchen in Tri-City, basically Chandikar, Mohali, Panchkula. So we do all baked goods with pastries, cakes, cookies, and chocolates and breads, including अभी दिवाली आ रही है तो दिवाली के hampers भी हम बना रहे हैं. So that goes a lot. उसके लिए bulk orders जाते हैं, all the corporates and all they take it. So there is that, and then we do customized cakes and wedding cakes also. Wedding season aa raha hai, so we'll start taking orders for the wedding cakes, and we deliver in Tri-City everywhere. There is no base order for that. Delivery is available all over Tri-City, and that's it.
So how can we reach you? On Instagram page of yours?
On Instagram, and my number is uploaded everywhere.
And I'm sure कि just मेहनत से आप काम कर रहे हो, and personally मैंने भी वो bit देखा है उसका, कुछ part देखा आपकी मेहनत का, and I'm sure आगे success ही होने वाला है, and wish you all the success in the future, and your business keeps growing and growing as you work really, really hard for that.
I just hope I see more people in this field.
Yes.
Especially starting at base, not when we have done so much in our life and we're like 24, 26, 30s, maybe when they are so young that they have so many opportunities available to them. And right now people are doing that. I know 2-3 people who are 16 who have done the course that I have done, and they've gone to Europe to do, a more detailed course. So I'm very happy for them. They got to do it in the starting of their life journey.
For sure. And I think this video will definitely help you. Thanks a lot again, Kangan. Thanks a lot for joining in.
Thank you for having me.
Hope to meet you again soon.
Very soon.